Before formatting your computer's hard drive and installing a new operating system, start by backing up all your important data to an external drive or the cloud. Make sure you have the installation media for the desired operating system, such as a USB drive or installation DVD, as well as the license key if necessary. Also, prepare the essential drivers for your hardware in case they are not included in the installation.
Start the computer from the installation media. Access the installation menu, then choose the option to format or delete existing partitions. Create new partitions according to your needs. It is generally recommended to create at least one partition for the system and another for data.
Start the operating system installation on the main partition. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once finished, configure the initial settings, install the drivers, and update the system. Finally, restore your backed up data and install your essential applications to complete the setup of your computer.